I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money on Fiverr, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Fiverr account. Start by logging into your Fiverr account using your credentials. Make sure you have a verified account to avoid any issues during the transaction. Step 2. Navigate to the order page. Once logged in, go to the orders section from your dashboard. Here, you can view all your active orders and their details. Step 3. Select the order. Find the specific order for which you want to send money. Click on it to open the order details. This is where you can review the total amount and any additional fees. Step 4. Choose payment method. In the order details, select your preferred payment method. Fiverr typically offers options like credit/debit cards, PayPal, or Fiverr credits. Make sure your payment method is linked and active. Step 5. Confirm and send payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you were using a credit card, check the expiration date to avoid any hiccups during the payment process. I hope this guide helps you send money on Fiverr easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy freelancing!